Naniniwala si RCBC Chief Economist Michael Ricafort na tama ang naging timing ng pagdeklara ng State of National Energy Emergency sa bansa tulad ng naging paghahanda ng ibang kapitbahay natin sa rehiyon gaya ng South Korea. At kung meron mang daw naging pagkukulang ang pamahalaan sa pagtugon sa problema, sana raw ay di lang dapat nag-concentrate noon sa pag-aakyat ng langis mula sa Middle East. Narito ang pasilip na panayam na yan kay Ricafort sa The PH Insider on TV.
Is that the palace has repeatedly insisted that there is no crisis. So what changed? What's behind the sudden declaration of the state of national emergency?
And of course, it's like contingency planning of some sort, no? It's like preparing for a calamity or a storm or any form of emergency, in the sense that it is part of preparation, the worst case scenario. It's not just that. We are seeing countries like other Asian countries like South Korea, but they're preparing for the worst. So it's like stress test, it's like business continuity plan, it's like emergency planning. Well, just to make sure that if the worst case happens, hopefully not, we're all ready.
Where did the government fall short in preparing for global oil disruptions?
Well, it could have been addressed by, at least getting more suppliers here nearby, as well as, we're in Asia, not passing through the Strait of Hormuz. But now also, there should have been also much more, backup plans in this kinds of emergency.
Right.
So, because of the crude oil, that's for finished petroleum products. So, although, we do understand this is already regulated, already in the private sector, primarily. So, but there could still be, some form of, in terms of government participation in that respect, in building up, just like, we have to look at the best practices, what the other governments in the region, in Asia, in ASEAN, and in other parts of the world are doing when it comes to having oil reserves or petroleum reserves. But, that's the
Mapapanood ang kabuuan ng pagtalakay sa mga problema at maaaring solusyon sa krisis sa langis mamaya sa The PH Insider on TV alas 8 ng gabi bago ang inaabangang PCSO Lottery Jackpot Bearing Games.